Hey guys, welcome to our first edition to B-Day Monday.
Awesome.
And I don't want to say I promised B-Day Mondays because I was awfully close to canceling this. Our first B-Day Monday almost got canceled because it's really windy.
And it's really cold.
And you'll hear wind sounds, and yes, I have my dead cat on top of my Rode mic to block the wind. It's just that windy right now. You see it shaking my arm, it's wanting to pull me away. It's like holding the kite. So today for B-Day Monday, the news is that we're getting 3 nucleus hives. 3 nuc hives, that's spelled N-U-C. It's abbreviated for, just Google it, they'll explain it a whole lot better than I can explain it. We have 3 of them ordered. What do we have ordered?
So we have the Italian nucs, and 2 Carnolians.
2 Cardinalians and 1 Italian. And they're on their way. They should be here when?
Middle of April, first week or middle week in April. So we're just kind of getting ready now.
Yeah, you guys have watched my past shows. You'll know I'm a procrastinator, and bees are one of the things that you don't want to procrastinate. So we don't want to procrastinate this project. So what we're doing is we had our bee area. We've moved it. We had 2 beehives and they died. And I know this wind is bad. Long story short, the bees died because of our lack of being a bee caretaker. We didn't get in the hives often enough. We're obviously new to this game. But we're going to play it.
Yeah. And
we're going to win this game. So we're newbies. We're what you call newbies to beekeeping. But don't let that stop you. I hope that's an encouragement for a lot of you guys. We've only ever had 2 beehives.
Yeah.
They've died, and now we've ordered 3 nucs, and we're going to keep playing this game.
Yeah, we're not going to give up. We're just going to crush it.
We're going to crush this game. So we're going to set up a different area. One of the problems I think we had last time that was bad is that they were set up more in a shady area.
Yeah.
And this is they're gonna see the morning sun first thing. It's gonna heat up their hive first thing. And I love this area here because this is a strip of land that I own. That I'll try to show you guys this a little bit. So what we have here is here's my fence line here. Over here is my property right there. This is my ground right here on the other side of this fence. And I bought this, and let's walk down here and I'll show you how much of this property I own on this side of the fence. So I'm on my neighbor's side. They got their fence wrong. They got their fence line wrong. So here's the T-post to my property line. So here's my property line where the fence should be at, and here is where the fence is at. That's how. Let's measure that out. Hold this. What is that? Okay. That's it's about 10 feet. So it's about a 10-foot strip along here from the width. I mean, I could put a lot of hives in that distance. That's 10 feet wide by about, what is it? It's about 1,000 feet. So a 10-foot strip, 1,000 feet long, in between the 2 fences. That's a lot of ground to lose. So we're going to put our bees in that strip. We're going to put them in that 10-foot strip. That's what we plan on doing. So now I've got you guys kind of filled in of the fence line, and it might even be a little bit more than 10 feet. It might be 10 feet. Well, that's just enough. I know a lot of experienced beekeepers are watching this. I'm excited to hear what you have to say.
Yeah.
So I think this is my boundary line right here. I have a post down at that end, post down that end. I'm kind of eyeballing it, and I want to make sure when I put my fence up along here that it's really critically straight so I don't upset my neighbor. He's already losing 10 feet of ground that he's had for free for a lot of years, so he might not like that he just lost 10 feet of ground, but it's my 10 feet and I'm reclaiming it. And when we put that fence off, we'll have to make sure that it's straight. But so I'm guessing that's the property line. So we'll put the hives maybe well within our property line, and enough room to walk around the beehive, and this will be a fenced in area. We'll just do little fenced in areas as we grow our beehive, because from like here to the end of here, so I'm about halfway on my property, and I could probably, if I did a row of bees, I could put over 100 in this row of this 10-foot strip. But we're only doing 3 or 4. So we're just making a little bee yard for about 3 threes. So let's go ahead. We'll go ahead and level this out. We'll put our concrete here, there, and there. We'll try to measure that out. And because I don't have a tape measure with me, this is how we're going to measure it. Okay, so that's a pretty good guess.
Yeah.
We got the finished product. Shakara modeling it off like Vanna White. So that's our, I'm not sure if I'm happy with the straps. It seems like it wants to pull them at an angle.
Yeah.
So we might have to, I think the simplest thing we should have done is just go right along here and over the top.
Yeah.
But we can do that.
Yeah. This will work.
Hey guys, thank you for joining us on B-Day Monday.
It was fun.
Yeah, we had fun. It was a fun date night. Did you have a fun date night?
I did.
Aw. That's romantic.
Aww.
I didn't get you flowers, but I helped build something that makes flowers.
I got to play in the dirt.
Okay, next Monday, we're going to continue with B-Day Monday vlogs. I like that. It helps motivate us to
get out
and get it done. B-Day Mondays. So next Monday, we're going to build the fence around our bees. And we don't know when our bees are coming in for sure. IFA said that they'll give us a call, and then they said they're thinking maybe 1st of April, middle of April.
Yeah.
And that'll be exciting. You guys will be part of that. And we will keep you up to date on the bee tree.
It was way too cold today. We actually got snow, so we didn't dare tear into that today at all.
Yeah, you can see we're in our insulated coveys and coveralls. We walked up to the hive. I didn't open it. I promised you guys I will not open it. You'll be the first to see it. We'll all see it together. we're keeping this out. So what I'm getting at is for you first timers watching this, go ahead and subscribe, because we're going to be here. We're not going anywhere. And you don't want to miss the content that we have out. We have a lot of exciting things ahead. It's going to be a busy spring. We have cows ordered. We have sheep ordered.
Yeah.
We have goats. We have rabbits. We have chickens. We have geese. If anybody wants some geese, I've got some geese. I'll give them away.
Take 'em.
Them things are demon possessed. Demon possessed geese. We have them. Hey guys, we got lots of stuff ahead. So subscribe, and when you hit that subscribe button, it's a red button, and for this is for you new people out there. I've had to explain this to people. I would assume that everybody knows this. Hit the subscribe button, a little bell pops up, hit that bell and you'll get emails, notifications, and when we put something out, it'll just notify you. And we have lots of exciting things to look forward to, so just don't forget to subscribe. So we have lots of exciting things.
Yeah, hopefully baby goats here soon. Still watching, nothing yet. So we have what, cows, sheep ordered?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, we have tons of stuff, a lot of activities going on. I'm going to try to get out consistently 4 vlogs a week, always Monday, but we're going to get 4 vlogs out, 4 to 5 vlogs out a week.
Yep.
And so you don't want to miss that. You don't want to, you'll want to hit the subscribe button, you'll want to hit the bell, and we have tons of stuff in the future. And I think that's all we have. Thanks for being part of this. Thanks for making it this far into our vlog. And go ahead and leave your comments down, what you think. And you know, we're new at this. We're new to this game, as I like to say. And we could use all the tips and pointers you can give us.
Yep.
All right, guys, we love you.